Many students get this expression wrong. Now we have 6 into 20 minus 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Now many students start with this, and we have 6 into 20 minus 18 divided by 2 times 3, that gives 6. Now they have 6 into 20 minus 18 divided by 6, that gives 3. Then still with this, they have 6 into 20 minus 3, that gives 17. And this is the same thing as 6 times 17, and this equals 102. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake. Now, to get this correctly, we are going to have 6 into 20 minus 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Here we are going to follow this other operation, PEMDAS. When writing this expression, we have parentheses. When we have this parentheses, no exponent. We have multiplication and division. We don't have addition. We have subtraction. Right here, multiplication and division have the same precedence, and as such, the operation here move from left to right, irrespective of the positions. Now, right here inside the parentheses, we are going to start with division, because division is of higher priority than the multiplication in this case. Now the expression becomes 6 into 20 minus 18 divided by 2, that gives us 9, then multiply by 3. And again, we have 6 into here. We are going to consider multiplication now, and we have this 20 minus 9 times 3, that gives 27. And still in this parenthesis, we are going to have 6. Then here, 20 minus 27, that gives us minus 7. And we have here multiply by minus 7. Now, you multiply this out, we are going to have 6 times minus 7, that gives us minus 42. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.